So we're in a kitchen environment and we're dealing with a very common burn or a scald hot liquid, for example. Very common occurrence. First thing to do is remove the heat source, make it safe for the next person. As quick as you can, we're going to usher our casualty over to a sink. We're going to place the affected area under some running water. Now the temperature should be tepid to cool, not too cold. We're going to keep that burn under the running water for 20 minutes. That does seem like a long time, but 20 minutes is sufficient to cool the surface area enough. After the cooling process, if we can remove any loose fitting jewellery, then we should do so. If we're going to struggle to do that, keep it on, treat it as part of the burn. We don't apply any lotions, potions, oils, treatments, medications to the burn. If we can source it, we're going to get ourselves some sandwich wrap, cling film. Take off the outer layer, then get a thin sheet, place over the top, scrunch up from underneath. That is a fantastic way to keep out bacterial infection and protect the burn. Your casualty will require hospital attention if the burn is bigger than a 1% surface area, which roughly speaking is the palm of their hand, including the fingers. If the burn or scald is particularly painful, if it is on a particularly sensitive area of the body, and also if your casualty is below the age of 5 or over the age of 65. Keep monitoring the burn, keep checking regularly, and the main benefit of the cling film, of course, is that it is transparent, it's see-through, we can observe the injury, so can a medical professional.